Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you create Google Meet link. So guys, it's a very easy process. At first, just go to the Google Meet app. Now here you can see in the bottom right, new option here. Click on it. After clicking it, the very first option here is create a new meeting. By clicking it like this, you can create a new meeting. And here you can see there is a link which is already been done for you. Just clicking here on the link, you can copy the link and you can send it to anyone you want. And the second option here is schedule in Google Calendar. Click on it. Here you can see in the top add title. Just give a title here, anything you want. After giving the title, you don't need to complete the other options. Just click on the top right, save. Now just scroll like this and click on the calendar option, and here you can see join with Google Meet, the blue one, the second option. Click on it like this, and here you can see the conference link copied to clipboard. So guys, that's how you can create link in Google Meet. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.